Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IFT applets for smart lights and notifications step by step clearly. Open the IFT app on your device or visit the IFT website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Tap on Create or New Applet to start making a new applet. Begin by selecting the IFTTT option. Browse through the list of available services to choose a trigger. For smart lights, search for your specific brand, like Philips Hue or Lifex. Once selected, choose the trigger event, such as New Day or Sunset. Follow the prompts to connect your smart light account if you haven't already. Now, return to the applet creation screen and click on Then That. Search for the notification service you'd like to use, such as notifications or email. Choose the action you want to take for notifications, like send a notification. Customize the notification message to your liking. After customizing, click on Create Action to save it. Review the applet setup for accuracy, ensuring your triggers and actions match your intention. Once satisfied, click on Finish to activate your new applet. Test the applet by either waiting for the trigger to occur or manually triggering it if possible. If it's working as intended, you're all set to enjoy your smart lights and notifications. If not, revisit the applet and troubleshoot any settings or connections. Feel free to create additional applets for different scenarios following the same steps. With IFTTT, the possibilities for automation are extensive, allowing you to enhance your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.